Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the error. This app could not be installed because its integrity could not be verified on iOS. The steps are really easy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first is that you just need to go to settings and just search content and privacy restrictions. From here you need to turn that on and click allow apps. You need to make sure that Safari is toggled on. So there you go, it's already on. You need to go back to settings for this one. And from the settings screen, you need to go find Safari itself. So it's right here, you just need to click that. From here, you need to go down a little bit and click clear history and website data. You just need to click all history and clear history. And once you've done that, you just need to go down a little bit more at the bottom. You need to click advanced. And the last option that's saying feature flags. From here, you just need to go to the bottom part and just need to click reset all to defaults. And after you do that, the error should be fixed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this works for you, and if it does, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.